Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Red-headed woodpeckers are sexually monomorphic. This means that males and females look exactly the same. They have bright red heads, necks, throats and shoulders. Their wings and tail are bluish-black.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Male and female birds look similar, but males have a bright red patch on the back of the head, while females have a black patch. Another feature to look for is the tiny, nub-like bill that is less than half the length of the bird's head.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Homeowners have reported some success deterring woodpeckers with windsocks, pinwheels, helium balloons, shiny, bright mylar balloons are especially effective, strips of aluminum foil, or reflective tape.
Let's help you make your mark.
As a power animal, a totem and spirit animal, woodpecker stands for strength, opportunity, wisdom, resilience, kindness, and determination. Never one to give up, it sees value in the most hopeless of things, including a dead tree, and makes remarkable good come out of it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.